So today's video is going to be about my locks that we have here in the head. Okay. So I have a total of 30 twists in my hair right now. Normally I do either like 27 or 25, mostly in the 20s, or I know they don't take it as far as 30, but this time I wanted to have it look more fuller and like have more locks in my hair. So this is a full 30 locks in my hair. 30 on the dot. So for this specific hair, this one right here with the colored hair, this is the queen bee braid. Looks like this. And I would highly recommend this because it came with 3 in it plus 1 more. So technically it came with 4, and good quality. I wanted to mix that color in with black, so this shake and go free twist braiding hair right here, this was in the color, I think it was 1. It was black, so I mixed this color with the black, and if you can tell, it just, hopefully you can tell, I'm not sure if you can tell, but yeah, so that's the black hair, and then this is the color hair mixed with black. Yeah. The other type of hair that I use is Kankalon braiding hair and Lock and Hold by Organique. I would highly recommend that hair because it looks the most natural. It looks natural like this one. I'm going to show you how I do it this way. You can tell these are fresh. You feel me? Fresh. Okay, so we got the hair. I try to start as long as I want it to go. Let me see. So like, I want it to stop here, so I'm going to start here. Start wrapping at this point. I'm a little hot now. Okay, so I'm taking the twist, my twist, and I'm wrapping. I normally wrap the other way. This feels weird. So we're gonna wrap this way. And I try to wrap the rubber band around as tight as possible without breaking it. That way it will stay secure. And if it feels like I can't go no more, I'll just move the rubber band like right here so it can stay in place. So now I take a second piece. So I didn't mention it in the video, but when you add a second piece, it's best to, so say if it stopped the first piece that you wrapped around stopped right here, say if it stopped right here, with your second piece, you want to make sure that you have like at least this much when you're starting, because you want the long piece to be long so you can wrap and wrap and wrap as long as you go. So after I finish that second piece, I'll either add another piece, or if I feel like I don't want to add another piece, I'll take the end of this and I'll split it in two pieces, and then I'll wrap it like that. But make sure like when you're wrapping it, it's like, I guess, tight, or you'll get something like this. Like, where is it? Something like this, where it's, you know, how you can tell it's kind of like loose and messy. Okay, so the last step in doing all of this is the curling part. So I curl the ends of my hair. But if I don't want to curl them, I will, where's the piece? Where is it? It's hiding from me. Did these two? There it is, okay. If I don't want to curl the ends, I'll just wrap it around like a bantu knot, so it looks like that. So it makes it look like a real lock too, because that looks like a real lock, do you, don't it? Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. The maintenance of these locks, I put these locks in my hair like this is my go-to protective style. My necklace, okay. This is my go-to favorite style to do. I wouldn't say it's the easiest style, but it kind of depends on how you take care of it, because if I decide to do like high ponytails or different looks with this, if I'm not too careful with them, some of them will unravel. So in order for me to stop letting that happen, I will put a rubber band on them. So like if you look closely, you can tell that this, when it gets loose like this, that means that it's probably going to unravel if you like decide to do hairstyles and stuff like that. So I'll put a rubber band to stop it, like right here. There's one, and then I put one here because this was a little loose, and I want to put a rubber band here so it stops it. So I put rubber bands where I feel that it's going to unravel at. That way I'm still able to do my styles that I do if I decide to put in a ponytail. And yeah. And then I normally always put a rubber band, if it gets to that point, I normally always put a rubber band at the top of it, like right here, so that it doesn't fall out. Because, you know, if you be doing too much with it and like doing it all like that, putting it in all types of buns and stuff, it will be like, I'm out. And it's not that type of ball game. Okay.